Hi there. I just got a Wright Anvil. She's about, I think it's a 208 pound, I'm pretty sure. It's 19 inches across the face, about 5 inches across. So she's a pretty big anvil, but this is the chunk of metal that come off just there. So I've actually removed it. It's a decent chunk, couple of pins, couple of chunks. And as you can see, I've started to weld. I forgot I was meant to make a video, and so I've started filling her up. But I had a bit of a setback over here with me little Lincoln. It's a 180C Lincoln. Down in here, this wire here caught on fire. It was up under there, down up under there, and it had a loose bolt, so it was called a hot joint. And I could smell plastic burning, so it turned out I had my welder on fire instead of the other end of it. But I'll keep putting little bits, filming little bits as I fill it up. A little mark across here I'm going to fill up, down the side, another one over here. I'm going to fill them all up. She's pretty hot at the moment. She's probably lost the temper in that end of the anvil, but you know, if I get rid of this stuff off it, grab me 3-pound hammer. She's still got a good ring. By all means, she's still a solid anvil. So I'm just gonna stop the video and keep welding. I've welded more, and my welder's a little hot, so it keeps cutting out. So at the moment I'm just warming up the end of the anvil again, because it's such a big block of steel that it takes quite a bit of heat out of your weld. So I can keep it to that nice strawy yellowy colour. It's about 220 degrees. I'll be happy. So I'm going to go and have some lunch, and I've got the burner heating up just behind the hardy hole. Gonna put some heat in her, and we'll keep welding when I get back. See ya. Hello again. As you can see, the welding's continuing. She's nearly up to height. She's quite square across the back now. So a little bit more weld to go. Let's rephrase that, there's a fair bit more weld to go. But she's coming up very, very nice. She still has a fantastic ring. Hello again, back with a little bit more. As you can see, she's pretty well done. Fixed a few more marks here on the side, just to try to square and get some corners back. Also square across the back, the heel. And I'm just going to fill up this little one here. A little bit of chip in it, and I've just ground it out nice and deep. So that there's the hammer.